this morning we're heading out and we're gonna go do some hiking.
Yep. We're going to do the Dragon's Back.
Yes, which is on Hong Kong Island.
Yep. Yeah, it's a short hike. I think it should be maybe like 2 hours or something like that.
It's supposed to look nice though. So we just stopped to grab some coffee and now we're gonna get on the MTR and then get on a bus and then start hiking.
Let's do it.
I know the story of your life through winter storms and summer skies. There was a time when you were young and free. So let's go back to the beaches where I always make you laugh, to the forest where we found a hidden path, to the summertime of 2005, when we were still alive, when we were still alive. So let's go back to the beaches where I always make you laugh, to the forest where we found a hidden path, to the summertime of 2005, when we were still alive, when we were still alive. When we were still alive. When we were still alive.
So we just finished our hike of Dragon's Back Trail.
Yep. It's beautiful scenery.
Yes, it's
Yeah.
gorgeous up there. It's a good thing my arm isn't shaking as much as my legs are right now, or I wouldn't be able to hold the camera because my legs are shaking.
Yeah, it's a pretty long hike. We thought it was 2 hours, but it's probably like 4 to 5 hours.
Especially if you're stopping to take pictures like we were.
Yep.
There's a lot of stairs, but I mean, it was a really good hike.
Yeah, it wasn't super difficult. There's just a lot of terrain and rocks. But overall, there wasn't any big, I guess, hurdles to get through. Uh-oh, is that our bus? No. Don't want to miss our bus back.
No, but definitely beautiful and worth the sight.
Yeah, definitely worth it.
Would recommend
Yeah,
doing
it's
it.
beautiful.
Now what?
Egg tart time, duh.
Uh-oh.
I got 2.